Hello and a warm welcome to my channel. In this video, I've covered the derivative data open interest of all participants as on close of March 20th. And before I begin, today FIIs in the derivative section were heavy duty sellers. They've sold like crazy today, or they were already bearish in the market, but today's selling by them is very, very intense. Just 2 days to go for the Fed meet, and they are heavy duty sellers in the market out here today, in spite of global cues being better today. But still, they were at no not non-stop selling. So let's start with what the data is telling us from among all participants today. So the in the index futures, FIIs, 21,000 contracts shorted today. 21,000. This figure, 1,94,000 now. You can see the long to short ratio out here. It's more than one for every 10 from the FIIs. This is an extreme. Uh, After a very, very long time, we are seeing such an extreme long short ratio in index futures from the FIIs. On not seen, I have not seen such a figure from at least almost a year, such kind of ratios from them. The domestic institutions bought and also covered shorts today. So in domestic institutions have also been large buyers in the cash segment today. And here also we can see that they were buyers in the futures. Even in stocks, they've covered some shorts out here, and they've bought some longs also out here. A very nominal quantity of index puts added from them and stock calls shorted from them today. So comparatively, they've done some positiveness for the market, but not compared to the heavy selling from the FIIs. The prop desk again covered the shorts today, and also some prop desks also went long. We can see this here, some covering. So from 36 last Thursday, they are down to 13 now. So they've been covering in the last two trading days, quite a decent quantity of covering from them. Clients, as usual, super bullish in the market, keep adding longs. Some clients are bearish, but overall, it's a bullish sign from the clients. They continue to be bullish in this market non-stop out here. Now, before I go to the option section, let's have a look at the FII future breakup. They were short. They had shorted around 8,000 contracts on Friday net on Nifty. Today, that's 19,000 more added. They even did not spare Bank Nifty today, which has made a higher low in the last 1 week in the lower time frame, but they are still short in that. So net short positions in front of us. Tomorrow is the Fin Nifty expiry, marginal quantity of gross buying from the FIIs out there. Now let's have a look at the index options. And here we can see they are back to 1:3. 1 day and they've changed them. Look at the contracts. They have gone short in index options. This is a huge shorting from them out here. And they've also bought some puts, sold less than half the quantity of those, and 4,59,000. This is again 1:3. Again, a ratio which is like almost near the extreme end, 1:3 from them out here. The prop desk added more shorts in the index out here. We can see this now. 1,17,000 is now 216. They were not bullish for this market, but they are also being doing some put shorting, or some spreads are being formed out here. So it's not that they are not protecting that side also. They continue to do that, but this is heavy from them. Clients, on the other hand, who are not expecting the market to rise much, have done some serious option call buying today and have taken it into positive, and here very marginally reduced their added their pressure. So 4,15,000 is not a small number. Not a small number. They remain extremely bullish in the market. Now they are now started looking for upside moves also, with the positive in the net positive in the calls from them. Now, before I go into the stocks, let's look at the FII option. Uh, sellers in Bank Nifty, big gross sellers in Bank Nifty, big one, big amount here. Fin Nifty they've bought today, tomorrow expiry, so maybe they some of the contracts must have come down, so it's come out like that. But overall, heavy duty selling from the FII desk again out here. In stock futures, now this is quite alarming, and I would like to point this out. Look at the new shorts added by them. This is huge shorting and some long unwinding also. They are just barely there in positive, in net positive now. 13,700 contracts only net long from them now. Now, the last time, in the last 6 months, I wouldn't say last time, in the last 6 months, FII's net stock futures this low came on September the 16th. This is the data I have in front of me. On September 16th, the FIIs had gone into negative. That's their maximum net negative in stock futures in the last 6 months, not going for data beyond that right now. So at that time, Nifty was at 17,500. This is mid-September. And after that, in the next 15 to 20 days, it came down to 16,700 at that time. But one must remember that mid-September, the market had not corrected as deeply as it has now. But this is the maximum 6 months data. If I go back to 6 months, is what I can see where they had reached a maximum gross selling scenario from net selling scenario from their side in the market. Now let's go back to the current data and see what the prop desk has done. Prop desk has bought stock futures today. We can see some stock buying coming in from their end out here, and they want to continue to buy this uh, move downward. So they are not as bearish. Usually they do the same thing, but again, last 2 days they are standing apart from the FIIs. They've been buying out here. Clients are also buying. Clients we can see are also in the buy mode. They are like perma bulls out there. They're continuously buying, and they buy out here. We can see the buying out here. We can see the buying out here. Prop desk, in fact, short covering from them in stocks. Some clients have gone short in stock futures. In the options, stock options, FII is mildly, very mildly long out here, while the prop desk is bearish out here. They've again added a huge number of shorts in stock calls, 2 weeks, less than 2 weeks now, uh, for the expire settlement to happen. They've bought puts. We can see out here. They've been buying puts also. So they're the long stock futures short through the options out here. The clients are net long here also. They keep adding calls, keep adding, keep shorting puts even in this decline, and they continue to do this. For tomorrow, the support in Nifty comes in at 16,800. And if that does not hold, then it comes down at 16,650. The resistance comes in at 17,150 and above that at 17,325. For Bank Nifty, support is at 39,000. Below that, 38,600, while the resistance is at 39,700, and above that at 40,100. We have Fed FOMC meet coming up on 22nd night, which will, the impact of that will be known to us on the expiry day on Thursday. Please be trade accordingly and make safe positions. Try to save as much capital. And with that, I end this video of mine. Hope you like it. Please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel. Bye bye.